welcome. My name is Bassam Qasim and I'm going to be showing you some projects. So I'll be working on some projects, as you can see. So you've got an image, right? Just a normal image, not a good looking site. So we've got an image here, and then over here we've got a very nice website. Forget the scribbles. You've got a image on the left side. It's got a navigation bar, paragraphs and text. It does not mean that the website is there yet, but without the scribbles, the website is going to look good. On this website, we're going to put an image on the right side. We're going to have a paragraph. We're going to have a header on ahead as well. On this one, you've got 6 boxes. Actually, you've got 8 boxes, and in each 8 box, you can put paragraphs. You can put image, titles, whatever you want to design the website and make it look really good. And this one is another template. You basically have a title in the middle, and you've got 3 texts on top, and the title in the middle's got a background color. This one is without a background color. That one is without a background color, and this one has got more background colors. So without further ado, I'll be showing you the real sites now as well. Over here we've got a database table. It's got an IDs, it's got names, it's got last name, ages, emails, and it's got passwords. And this database can be connected to a website. So for example, on this side we've got a website that has a login and it's got a sign up as well. And then this one has an interesting effect. If you type, for example, the ID, it's going to give you all the IDs. And if you type, for example, password, it's going to give you all the passwords. And there's also a contact form. So when you put the details inside of here, it's going to be saved in a database. So this website is connected to a database, and the language being used to do all of that is PHP. This one is another gallery of 3 sites in one website. So you've got the Figs site, and you've got the Ice site, and you've got the Car site. If you go to the Figs, it's got a gallery. If you go into the Ice, it's got a gallery as well. And if you go to the Car site, it's going to have some paragraphs, some text, and all that kind of stuff. And if you go into the gallery, of course the pictures don't have to be the same. The pictures can be different. And over here as well, we've got another site. It's about dates. So as you can see, it's got this animation effect. And if you go to the home, it says dates are very healthy. Make sure you make them part of your diet. That is quite true, guys. That's quite true. So we go into this site. It's got a gallery again, a different gallery, of course, a different site, and it's got a animation effect. When you move the mouse on top of the pictures, it kind of highlight and the border comes up and that kind of stuff. And on this one as well is another gallery section. So to me, I like these websites because it's got a nice background image to it, and it's got all that kind of stuff. But what I would like to mention is, that web programming is not something that you should be learning for a long term. You should be learning programming in a short term. What you should be doing is very clear and easy. You should be heading for projects, because when you're programming or whatever you're doing, you're going to be you have to be good at it. See what I mean? So if you want to become like a doctor or an artist or a programmer, you have to be good at it. That's without a doubt. Alright? Even if you want to wear a tie, you have to be good at it. You have to be good at everything. But a lot of people, when they learn programming, they be good at it, but not in the right fashion. Right? They go into the fashion of boot camps, learning how to code, learning the language. It's like me saying to someone, don't be good at a language, be a good story writer, be a good storyteller. I don't care if you can't speak a language properly, as far as you're a good storyteller. Have you seen people when they haven't you know they haven't got an education, but they can make people laugh? That's because they're good at telling stories, and that's how life is. Whether you're doing web design, whether you're doing sports, well, you can't be boring. You gotta tell a story. All right, that's how doctors are. You're gonna be good at it, and you gotta tell a story, and that's how it is in programming as well. In programming, it's not about learning how to code. It's about learning what to code. So, what should I be coding? If you're going to be doing web development, you're entering into the web technology. You have to be creating websites. And what is a website? It's not a rocket science thing. You've always been to websites, and you know how they function. If you look at Facebook, they've got a login page, they've got create an account section, they've got the comment section. If you go to YouTube, they've got tons of videos and comments and likes, and look at the design. Do that. Do that. I don't know what you're learning if you know. It's like someone learning English, and you tell them, show me what you have done. What work have you done? He's going to say, I have done no work, I'm just learning. Come on guys, you can't. How long are you going to be learning? You've got to stop doing projects. Of course I've made that mistake. For example, I have a folder over here, and I've been trying to learn programming, and it's got lots of pages and lots of files inside, but that's not right, because I was learning coding rather than learning what to code. And when I started doing projects, I knew what I should be coding. Simple, a gallery section, like you've seen, a home page, and a contact form. That's it. And just be good at it, be better at it, because you're basically creating websites. If you want to become a software engineer, or a network engineer, or a security engineer, or a database engineer, that's up to you. The main thing is you need to be good at the basics first of the web technologies, because it's very easy. You get quick results. You use your imagination and creativity. It's like art, it's like drawing. You learn how to draw in 4 or 5 hours. You practice every day, and you just become good at it. Now, if you're going to run in the park, you don't need someone to tell you how to run in the park. You will just run every day around the park, 1 hour, 2 hours, and after 5 weeks, or after 4 weeks, or after 2 months, you're going to be very good at it. So that's what you need to practice. You need to practice doing projects. The first thing first you're going to be doing is projects. So it takes you 4 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour to learn a programming language, but it takes you a lot of time, weeks, to do projects. That's a good sign that if you're doing a project. If you're stuck on a project, that's a very good sign. But if you're stuck on learning, that's not a good sign, because that's just learning language. It's like someone saying, I'm stuck in telling a good story, or I'm stuck in being a comedian. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned a lot. In my tutorials, they are project based, and I'll be teaching the basics of the programming language in a few hours. But on top of that, we're going to be dealing with project-based tutorials. I hope to see you in my YouTube channel. I would like to see your comments. If you've got any questions, I can answer them. And that's programming and web design for you. Goodbye.